Hello guys, I hope you have a good time. In this video I'm going to showing you how to convert this picture with moving in here to coming in here or converting to this picture, okay, with Adobe Photoshop. Just let's go to starting, clicking open, get the original picture and go to this list, go to the color lookup, and in here select the Moonlight 3DL and save this project from your file from your computer with a JPEG tape and rename any name. So because I saved this picture, I don't need to saving it. You just need to save, and when you save it, you just need to closing the window, click no, and turn to open and get your saved picture. And don't forget, focus with me, you need to using this tool and making a border like this. So make a layer with click at the plus and go to the field logo, click and field color, and you can get any color for the light, but I just using the color for review, and click OK and click OK again, and go here, select the moving tool and click the deselect and click and any point around of the color, one click, and right click, just a one click, right click here at the color and select the warp and resize in here. So click done and just click at the color again, one left click and go to the filter and go to the blur gallery and file blur or file blur and move the circle to here and click and here to making a new circle. Okay, so in here you can change the field of the color or change the blur of the color inside here, and you can changing here the line. Okay, so click at the down circle and change to maximum, and now move the circle up to up and like this and click OK. So now turn to the toolbar and get the tool and make a border again. So now click at the plus to make a layer and go to the field and field color and click again with selecting your choice color. So go to the toolbar and get the moving tool and click at the disable and click at any point inside of the color or of the field, just one click, and right click at the color, select warp and resize again, and click done, and again just left click, click one click at the color with a left click and go to the filter and go to the blur gallery and fire it blur again and move the circle into here and make a new circle in here again. So now in here get the minimum number or minimum pixel and change this circle to maximum number. You can see now, turn and click the circle, move to up and click the OK. So now everything is finished. So this video is come to end. I hope if you love it this video, don't forget like this video and share to learning and other people's, and subscribe my channel to see more video and next time. So thank you for watching. Goodbye.